Next, we consider derivative of cosecant x and secant x. What is derivative of secant x? Derivative of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x. What about derivative of cosecant x? Minus cosecant x into cot x. C വരുന്നത് cos, cot, cosecant are negative. Cot, cosecant and cos. Cos, cosecant and cot. എല്ലാം C വരുന്നത് നെഗറ്റീവ് ആയിരിക്കും. Derivative of cosecant x, that is d divided by dx of cosecant x is equal to minus cosecant x into cot x. Okay. What do you mean by cosecant x? Cosecant x is equal to 1 divided by sin x. Derivative of cosecant x is equal to minus cosecant x into cot x. Let y is equal to f of x is equal to cosecant x. What is cosecant x? Cosecant x is equal to 1 divided by sin x. 1 divided by sin x. Then dy by dx is equal to derivative of y with respect to x d divided by dx of 1 by sin x. Y is equal to cosecant x. Cosecant x means 1 divided by sin x. Now apply quotient rule. This is in the form of a quotient where numerator is equal to 1 and denominator is equal to sin x. Denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator divided by denominator square. Numerator into derivative of numerator, that is denominator sin x into derivative of numerator, that is numerator 1, that is derivative of 1 minus numerator 1 into d divided by dx of denominator, what is denominator sin x, all divided by sin x square. Okay. What is derivative of 1? Derivative of a constant is equal to 0. That is sin x into 0, derivative of 1. Minus 1 into derivative of sin x. What is derivative of sin x? Cos x. Divided by sin x all square. That is this term becomes 0. That is minus cos x divided by sin square x. Sin x into sin x. That is equal to minus cos x by sin x into 1 by sin x. Now, that is minus cos x into 1 minus cos x by sin x into sin x, sin square x. What is cos by sin? Cos x by sin x is equal to cot x. That is this term minus cot x into 1 by sin x. What is 1 by sin x? Cosecant x. Minus cot x into cosecant x. Okay? This is cot x. What about this value? 1 by sin x is equal to cosecant x. Cos x by sin x is equal to cot x minus cot x into cosecant x. Or derivative of cosecant x is equal to minus I cosecant first minus cosecant x into cot x. Okay? Similarly, derivative of tan x is secant x. Derivative of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x. What do you mean by secant x? Secant x is equal to 1 divided by cos x. Listen, sec x is equal to 1 divided by cos x. Then derivative of secant x means derivative of 1 divided by cos x. Either rule denominator cos x into derivative of numerator 1 into derivative 0 minus 1 into derivative of cos x. Cos x derivative minus sin x. Divided by cos x in the square. That is cos x into 1 derivative of 1 0. First term 0. Minus derivative of cos x minus sin x. Then minus of minus plus sin x divided by cos square x. And then sin x divided by cos x and 1 by cos x. Sin x by cos x into value tan x. 1 by cos x is equal to secant x. Otherwise secant x into tan x. Okay? Now derivative of secant x is equal to secant x tan x. That is here secant x is equal to 1 by cos x. Then to find the derivative of secant x, that is find the derivative of 1 divided by cos x. Apply quotient rule. That is complete. Okay? This is the save here. Save it in the not like for. Otherwise, the derivative of secant x is equal to secant x tan x. That is the derivative here. That is the book like for. Okay? Then we sin x into tan x into derivative of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x. This is the proof എഴുതുക, എന്നിട്ട് നോട്ടിലേക്ക് കൊടുക്കുക. ഇതെല്ലാവരും ഒന്ന് സേവ് ചെയ്യാം. സേവ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് നോട്ടിലേക്ക് കൊടുക്കുക. Using derivatives of trigonometric functions, consider certain problems in which the function of a function rule is also applicable. Function of a function rule and the derivatives of trigonometric functions. Consider if y is equal to cos of 3x square minus 3x cube minus x square plus 7. Find dy by dx. Okay. What is the derivative of cos x? Instead of this value, if it is x, then y is equal to cos x. Derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Okay. This cos x is cos of x 3x cube minus x square plus 7. There we apply function of a function rule. Function of a function rule means let given y is equal to cos of 3x cube minus x square plus 7. Let u is equal to ഇതിനെ പകരം u എന്ന് കൊടുക്കുക. Cos u derivative minus sin u with respect to u. And let u is equal to 3x cube minus x square plus 7. That is u is a function of x. Again, u is a function of x. What is du by dx? Du by dx is equal to u a function of x. Du by dx is equal to 3 into derivative of x cube 3x square. X raised to n x raised to n minus 1 minus derivative of x square minus 2x plus derivative of 7 0. That is du by dx is equal to 3 into this constant 3 into derivative of x cube 3x square. That is 9x square minus 2x. What is given? Y is equal to cos of 3x cube minus x square plus 1. This is u. Then what is y is equal to cos u? That is y is equal to cos u. Okay? Y is equal to cos u. That is y is a function of u. Then what is dy by du? Dy by du is equal to dy divided by du is equal to cos u derivative minus sin u. Cos x derivative minus sin x. Cos u derivative with respect to u. And then dy by du is equal to cos u derivative minus sin u. That is minus sin of u. What is u? 3x cube minus x square plus 7. 3x cube minus x square plus 7. Then we know a function of the function rule if y a function of u a function of x, then dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. That is minus sin the dy by du is equal to minus sin 3x cube minus x square plus 7 into du by dx. Du by dx is equal to 9x square minus 2x. Or dy by dx is equal to this way minus sin of 3x cube minus x square plus 7 into 9x square minus 2x. Second, that's function of a function then cos. Cos of a derivative and minus the cos u. Cos u derivative minus sin of the cos in the derivative minus sin. Root x equal root x value x plus b and x plus b. Whatever it may be, cos u derivative minus sin 3x cube minus x square plus 7. Now cos derivative u in derivative 3 into x cube into 9x square minus 2x. Second. Then similarly, another problem, second problem. If y is equal to root of sin x square plus 1, root of sin x square plus 1, find dy by dx. And the sin x square plus 1 ആണെങ്കിൽ sin u എന്നുള്ള ഫോമില. Sin u ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് നമുക്കറിയാം cos u. Therefore, let v is equal to x square plus 1. And then v equal to x square plus 1. Then what is dv by dx? dv by dx is equal to derivative of x square 2x plus derivative of 1 0. Now if v is equal to x square plus 1, then y is equal to sin of v. Root sin v. Root of sin v. And let u is equal to sin v. Sin v. V is equal to x square plus 1. That u is equal to sin v. That is u is a function of v. du by dv is equal to, what is du by dv? Derivative of sin v is equal to cos v, that is cos of x square plus 1. Second, u is equal to sin v. In here, we have y is equal to, what is y? Root of sin x square plus 1, that is sin v. Sin v divided by sin v is equal to u. V x square plus 1 is equal to x square plus 1 is equal to v, and then this is sin v. I am going to u. Sin v is equal to u. That is y is equal to root u. Y equal to root u. Then y is a function of u. What is dy by du? Dy by du is equal to root u derivative 1 by 2 root u. That is 1 by 2 root u. U is the sin of v. V is x square. And then y is a function of u. U a function of v. V a function of x. Y is u. U a direction and v direction. V a function of x. Then dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dv into dv by dx. That is dy by du is, what is dy by du? Dy by du is equal to 1 by 2 root sin x square plus 1 into du by dv cos x square plus 1 into dv by dx 2x. Another 2 into cancel. But x into cos x square plus 1 divided by root of sin x square plus 1. Okay? Select. Now, that's the this is the root. Root is the derivative. Root of root z. Root v u. Root u is the derivative of 1 by 2 root u. That is 1 by 2 root sin x square plus 1. For root it. Next is sin derivative. Derivative of sin. Sin derivative is the sin of derivative cos of. That is cos x square plus 1. This x square plus 1 is derivative. 2x. Again, always sin x square plus 1 value എടുക്കുന്നത്. എങ്ങനെയാണ് root of എന്നാണ്. Root of ഏത് വന്നാലും derivative 1 by 2. ഇവിടെ 1 by 2 root sin x square plus 1. ഇവിടെ root എടുക്കും. ഇനി derivative of sin. What is derivative of sin cos x square plus 1? ഇനി x square plus 1 into 2x. Second. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് function of a function rule and also trigonometric functions in the derivative. This is the save here, save it, not like what that is, Seri Markle Chodikana, save here, not like rewrite here. Consider another very important problem. Find the derivative of a function. Where the function of a function rule is applicable and the quotient rule is also applicable. If y is equal to sin square x divided by 1 plus cos x, find dy by dx. Okay? Y is equal to sin square x divided by 1 plus cos x, find dy by dx. This is in the form of a quotient. Quotient a numerator and denominator. What is the numerator? Numerator is sin square x. Denominator is 1 plus cos x. Then derivative of a quotient is equal to d given y is equal to sin square x divided by 1 plus cos x. Derivative of y with respect to x divided by dx is equal to denominator into derivative of a quotient is equal to denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator divided by denominator square. That is denominator 1 plus cos x into denominator into derivative of numerator sin square x, derivative of sin square x minus numerator sin square x into d divided by dx of denominator 1 plus cos x, d divided by dx of 1 plus cos x, all divided by denominator 1 plus cos x cos square. Okay, that is 1 plus cos x into what is derivative of sin square? Derivative of sin square cos square now. And the derivative of sin square means sin x u square now. Sin x u u square. What is the derivative of u square? 2u. Then 2 sin x. Now u into derivative. Sin x and derivative cos x. This is u square. U square derivative is equal to 2u. Sin x u is u square. The u square is u2u. That is 2 sin x. It is sin x derivative cos x. If it is sin raised to 4x, what is the derivative of sin raised to 4x? Sin raised to 4x is equal to u raised to 4. U raised to 4 derivative 4 u cube. That is 4 into sin cube x. It is sin x into cos x. This sin cube x is 3 sin square x into cos x. Sin cube x is u cube. U cube derivative 3u square. That is 3 into sin square. This sin square is sin x cos x. Minus sin square x into derivative of 1 0 plus derivative of cos x minus sin x, all divided by denominator square 1 plus cos x whole square. Okay, that is equal to 2 sin x cos x into 1, that is 2 sin x cos x, plus 2 sin x cos x into cos x, that is 2 sin x into cos square x. This is minus into minus plus sin square x into sin x, sin cube x, divided by 1 plus cos x whole square. Then this is equal to 2 sin x cos x plus take sin x outside from these two terms. And sin x into 2 cos square x plus sin x outside that sin square x, divided by 1 plus cos x whole square. Okay. That is 2 sin x cos x plus sin x into 2 cos square x means 2 cos square x is equal to cos square x plus cos square x. That is 2 cos square x. Cos square x plus cos square x. 2 cos square x plus sin square x. E cos square x is sin square x divided by 1 plus cos x whole square. E cos square x is sin square x multiplied cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. That is this term is equal to 1 plus cos square x. That is dy by dx is equal to that 2 sin x cos x plus sin x into cos square x and sin square x കൂട്ടിയാൽ 1 plus cos square x. ഇവിടെ sin x ഇവിടെ sin x ഉണ്ട്. ഈ രണ്ട് ടേമിനകത്ത് take sin x also outside. ഈ രണ്ടിനകത്ത് sin x കൂടി outside എടുക്കുക. sin x കൂടി outside വന്നാൽ ഇത് വരും sin x കൂടി outside എടുത്താൽ എന്താ കിട്ടുക? sin x into ഏത് വരും? ഇവിടെ 2 cos x plus cos square x plus 1 divided by 1 plus cos x whole square. Okay? That is sin x into ഇത് cos x plus 1 whole square. Cos x plus 1 whole square എന്താണ്? Cos x plus 1 whole square is equal to a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then cos x plus 1 whole square is equal to cos square x plus 2ab. 2 into cos x plus 1. അങ്ങനെ 2 cos x plus cos square x plus 1 എന്നുള്ളതിനെ എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ നമുക്ക് cos x plus 1 whole square sin x into the sin x into the cos square x plus 2 sin x plus 1 means 1 plus cos x whole square. ആ ഒരു 1 plus cos x whole square ഞാൻ ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്യും. ബാക്കി വരുന്നതായിരിക്കും sin x or derivative of dy by dx is equal to sin x. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം? ഇവിടെ ഈ ടേബിൾ ഇവിടെ ഇതിനകത്ത് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ? രണ്ടിനകത്ത് sin x outside ഇവിടെ നിന്നും ഇവിടെ sin x outside കിട്ടിയാൽ ബാക്കിയിട്ട് വരും sin x into ഏതാണ് 2 cos x into 1 2 cos x പിന്നെ 2 cos x into cos x 2 cos square x plus sin square x. എന്നിട്ട് sin square x നെ ഇതുപോലെ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? cos square നമുക്ക് പവറിങ് മാറ്റും. പക്ഷെ അത് വേണ്ട, അല്ലാതെ ഇതുപോലെ തന്നെ വിളിച്ചു. അതാണ് ദിസ് മെത്തേഡ്. ഇത് ഈ 2 cos square x is equal to cos square x plus cos square x. ഈ cos square sin square കൂട്ടിയിട്ട് എന്തായിക്കോളും? 1 ആണ്. cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. That is this is equal to 1 plus cos square x. ഇതിനകത്ത് വീണ്ടും എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? sin x outside വരും. അന്നേരം sin x outside വന്നാൽ 2 cos x plus cos square x plus 1. ഇത് a plus b whole square എന്നുള്ള ഫോമിലാണ്. cos x plus 1 whole square. Then cos x plus 1 whole square is equal to this way. 1 plus cos x whole square cancelling, but the derivative of this is equal to dy by dx is equal to sin x. ഇതൊക്കെ important problems ആണ്. ഒന്ന് സേവ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് നോട്ടിലേക്ക് പുറത്തേക്ക് വിടുക. ഈ പ്രോബ്ലം if y is equal to sin square x plus divided by 1 plus cos x, find dy by dx. നമ്മൾ ഇതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ കിട്ടി. നമ്മൾ ചെയ്താണ് ഇപ്പം ചെയ്താണ്. Consider another very simple method to solve this problem, to find the derivative of this function. Okay, by substitution method. Okay, now using substitution we can solve this problem easily. Then the substitution, given y is equal to sin square x divided by 1 plus cos x. What is sin square theta? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, or sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x divided by 1 plus cos x. 1 minus cos square x means 1 square minus cos square x. A square minus b square. 1 means 1 square. A square minus b square, then what is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. Therefore 1 square minus 1 square is equal to 1, or 1 in 1 square. 1 square minus cos square x, a square minus b square. A is equal to 1, b is equal to cos x. That is equal to a plus b, 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x, a minus b, divided by 1 plus cos x. 1 minus cos square x is equal to 1 square minus cos square. This is in the form a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. That is 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. Then 1 plus cos x cancel. That is y is equal to 1 minus cos x. ഇതിനെ simplify ചെയ്താൽ you have y is equal to 1 minus cos x. Then what is dy by dx? ഇത് differentiation അല്ല, the simplification. The given problem is simplified to this form. That is y is equal to sin square x divided by 1 plus cos x. That is y is equal to 1 minus cos x. Then what is dy by dx? Derivative of 1 0 minus derivative of cos x minus sin x. Minus of minus is equal to plus sin x. നേരത്തെ അത്രയും lengthy proof ചെയ്താൽ it is very simple. ഇതിനെ simplify ചെയ്യും. Then we have y is equal to 1 minus cos x. Derivative of y dy by dx is equal to 1, derivative 0, minus cos x derivative minus sin x, that is equal to sin x. Okay? Now ഇത് ഒന്ന് സേവ് ചെയ്യും. അതേപോലെ തന്നെ ഇത് നിങ്ങൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം, ഹോംവർക്ക് ആയിട്ട് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. If y is equal to sin 5x minus 1 divided by x cube, find dy by dx. ഇത് ഹോംവർക്ക് ആയിട്ട് denominator into derivative of sin, അതായത് cos 5x minus 1. ഇനി 5x minus 1 into 5 minus numerator into derivative of denominator divided by denominator square, property apply ചെയ്യുക. ഇത് ഹോംവർക്ക് ആയിട്ട് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. ഇത് വേണമെങ്കിൽ എഴുതുക. അതായത് ഈസിയസ്റ്റ് മെത്തേഡ്. നേരത്തെ പോലെ അത്ര ലെങ്തി പ്രൂഫ് ഒന്നും ഇല്ല. y is equal to sin square x divided by 1 plus cos x. Simplify. The simplified form of this function is 1 minus cos x. Then derivative of 1 minus cos x is equal to sin x. Second. Then save it. അതുപോലെ എന്തിട്ട് റിലേറ്റീവ് ഓർ നോട്ട്. പിന്നെ ഹോംവർക്കും കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ആക്കുക. ഒരെണ്ണം കൂടെ ഹോംവർക്ക് നമുക്ക് എഴുതാനുണ്ട്. എഴുതാനുള്ള ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് ഓഫ് സീക്കൻഡ് എക്സ് എഴുതാനുണ്ട്. അതും കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക.